YouTuber. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I urge you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. The core essence of doing this video is actually to demystify the claim for Testnet and then binding of Satoshi with Openex network. So what you need to do first of all is you download this app. You may have a question like, why are you going to download this one? What you do is you head on to the description section, you search for the link so that you download this. After you download this, I will now show you the steps. Okay, so you can pause the video so that I walk you through the steps that you have to take for you to claim your testnet, and then do 4 missions. Thereafter, you claim whatever you have to claim, the cryptocurrency that you have actually been mining. Okay, so now let's take a ride. First of all, download Openex. I'm waiting. So now after downloading OEX Alpha, click it so that you install it. Click install. Okay, so once it's installed, click it, and then when you're in, you check out 3 options at the bottom. Okay, so what you do is you click import. For you to get the private key for MetaMask, what you need to do is you head on to MetaMask, punch in the password to get logged in. Come on. Okay, so when you're in, what you do is you click in the bottom right corner, and then you click security and privacy. Then you swipe up, and then you click here where it says show private key for account 1. Obviously, when you click here, what will happen is you'll be asked to punch in the password which you use to log into your MetaMask, and you see that's the one you copy and then you go and paste there. When you input your private key, click next. So after entering the passkey, you will actually be brought here. Say enter your wallet and lock password. Okay, so now when you get here, the question that you may have is, where do you get the 6 letter password? Just create it from here. Okay, the first one, when you enter the first one, it's filled to the brim. You need to retype the same one at the bottom. You simply continue typing. So the same digits that you enter on top are the ones that you will need to enter at the bottom. Thereafter, click done. Okay, so now after you punch in that password, you will actually find yourself here. You'll be logged in. Do is you click mission. That is the 4th tab from the one in the bottom left. 1, 2, 3. When you click mission, you see mission E. Okay, so mission E, when you click it, that's the one on top. all you have to do is you click there, then you type in your email address. So just punch in the email address with which you opened Satoshi. Well, but for now it's not available. It will be available on the 20th. Okay, the 20th of March 2024. Let's move on to other verifications. Roll back. We can now move on to Mission X. Punch in your username here on X, then click next. Okay, so what you do is you copy this, then you paste it there. Okay, now so we can copy everything here. And then we say cut. Then go ahead and post that on Twitter, which is X. Come on, tweet it. Okay, so we can click on this here. What's happening? Then we paste. After we post, we click the post. Then we go like share and copy link. Then we go back and then we paste that which we've copied here. Okay, so these are the numbers, right? And then we click check status. Come on, it's loading. It's loading. Okay. Okay, so we'll get back to mission X. Let's click mission T. Okay, beautiful. So what you do is copy this link, which is at the bottom here. Copy it. Copy it. And then after copying it, you will need to go to Telegram. Take note of what is on top there. Okay. Let's see this. I will start with this one. Can I type it the way it is? Okay. Let me just write it down. We are copying this one here, the one at the bottom. Then I say share. Then go to Telegram. Then click the icon. I think you saw where I clicked. That hand lens like icon in the top right corner. Click it, and then you punch in this at RGX, then that, then bot. No result. No result. Let's try to copy the way it is. We copy it from here, copy, and then we head on to Telegram, paste. Okay, now it's hard to tell which one we are sending to, right? Ajax bot, maybe the one which is in the middle, right? Saying connecting, so it's the one which is in the middle, right? Let's now head back. Let's head back and copy what we have to copy. This command here, we copy this, then we head back here. Let's type in the message there, boom, and we're sending that. Okay, so what you need to do is you click start. When you see this message, now come to AGX bot of what, that's when now you paste in that address that you copied from there, and then you click send. Click send. So bind wallet. Okay, so you click bind, then you paste in the message. Paste in, then you send. Oh my. Okay, so for now, what I can tell you is mission T and mission X have issues, so it's pretty difficult for now to complete the missions, as in binding with Twitter account and Telegram account. So what you do is you click mission L. So after you click mission L, this is what you see. So you simply click submit. Oh, so they're saying I should at least hold 1 OEX. 1 OEX. Okay, so that's when this one will actually be OEX 0. I need to go and drop something there. I need to swap $1 there. Then we can move back. You go to mission Z. Beautiful. So they're saying passed. You've passed the simulated KYC test. I did this. Okay, so we are done with this. We can roll back. Okay,